4. Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start our 9th lecture and our topic is forest habitat. In the previous lectures we have studied about desert habitat and grassland habitats. So now we will study about forest habitat. So the forests are the areas with mild temperature, normal temperature and a lot of rainfall where the rainfall is maximum. So where there is a lot of rainfall, so this is an ideal condition for huge variety of plants, that it will support maximum variety of plants. There will be a lot of plants. So more than half of the land animals from the total of the world land animal species, half of the land animal species live in forest. So half land animal species live in forest. So most important variety of the rainforest, of all types of rainforest, the tropical rainforest have the most variety of species including animals and plants. So the tropical rainforest are the areas where the average rainfall is up to 400 centimeter per year. एक साल में 400 centimeter per year rainfall होती है यहाँ पे. So this rainfall will help more population of plants. So this will increase the population of plants there. So the population of plants when increase, it will decrease the amount of nutrients. Like you see, if there are more plants ज़्यादा होंगे तो it will consume more nutrients. So the nutrients will decrease in that soil. So mostly these plants have shallow roots and are insectivores, that they eat insect. They do not have much nutrients in the soil. That's why they eat insects. That's why these roots are called insectivores. So tropical rainforests have certain adaptations. So some are structural adaptations and some are behavioral adaptations. So let's look at the structural adaptations. So they have modified the structure as they have tall trees and they cover large area. And when they cover large area and tall trees, so they form a canopy like structure. They form a V type structure there. So they will block the sunlight to the lower plants. So you can see here, they are stopping the sunlight so that the lower plants cannot use the sunlight. That's why the low growing plants don't need sunlight. They have modified themselves to grow without sunlight. These are the structural adaptations. So there are some animals and plants that have adapted themselves. There are some examples of toucan. In your book page number 13, a kinkajou, a hummingbird, a chameleon, a jaguars. So the jaguars have razor sharp teeth to tear their prey. So they have modified their teeth as they are very sharp. And the chameleon changes the body color. Bulbous roots spread out in all directions and provide tall trees a firm base. These are all examples of the structural adaptations of the tropical rainforest species. So let's look at the behavioral adaptations of the tropical rainforest species. So the animals and plants have developed a certain behavior to catch their prey. So they may have long teeth and they may have the capacity to catch their prey. We will see its example one by one. Or they have adapted themselves, they have behaviorally adapted themselves to be safe from predators. And let's read some examples from the page number 14. So this is an example of the jaguar. That it has behaviorally adapted itself to climb on trees and to attack its prey. And the three-toed sloth is the slowest animal. This is also its example. Howler monkeys are the loudest land animals. They use their loud voice to communicate as it is difficult to see through the thick forest. So the howler monkeys, they use their voice. अपनी आवाज़ के ज़रिए वो दूसरे animals के साथ communicate करते हैं और with other monkeys. So this is their adaptation in behavior. And the Venus flytrap, this is a plant. I will draw its structure here. So this is a type of the Venus flytrap, that when an insect comes to this plant, it will open and it will open for the insect. But when the insect will come, it will close its mouth and the insect will come inside of this plant, so it can use it as a food. So this is the structural adaptation of the Venus flytrap. जब इसके ऊपर कोई इंसेक्ट आके बैठता है तो ये खुल जाता है, तो जिसकी वजह से वो अंदर ही फिर बंद हो जाता है. ये अपना मुंह फिर बाद में बंद कर लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो अंदर ही रह जाता है. So this is the behavioral adaptation of the Venus flytrap. There is some other examples on your book, so read these examples and see also, use internet to see their adaptations. So your homework is to write the structural and behavioral adaptations of jaguars. So this is your homework. Write the structural and behavioral adaptation of jaguars. And this question is from the previous lecture. Write down the features of grassland habitat. What are their important features? Write average rainfall and average variety of species, animals and plants species. So write these questions on your notebooks and learn it. Hope you understand today's lecture. So take care and Allah Hafiz.